Hello, I am sex and confidence coach Jenn Doan, and welcome to the Biird YouTube channel. Today we're going to be giving you some tips and tricks for navigating period sex. Many people experience increased sexual desire either on their period or right before their period. As your hormones shift, it can boost your libido and leave you craving something other than chocolate.
There's something other than chocolate?
Plus, having sex while menstruating can also alleviate cramps, so there's lots of great reasons to have sex while on your period. Of course, if period sex just isn't for you or you're just not feeling your sexiest, that's okay too. Sexual desire changes throughout your cycle and it's very personal to you. So if you're just not feeling it, there's no need to pressure yourself. For those who are interested, here's a few tips for setting up period sex for success. Embrace the mess. If you're having sex on your period, there is always the chance that it could get messy, and that is totally okay. Menstrual blood is natural and there's nothing dirty or unhygienic about it. If you're worried about your bed sheets, you can always throw down a dark towel, or you can also use a menstrual disc for penetrative sex. It's also okay just to let yourself bleed during sex. If it gets a little messy, that's okay. That's what showers are for. Tip number 2, remove any menstrual products. Like I said, you can use a menstrual disc during penetrative sex, but do be aware that it can shift slightly if you have a particularly rigorous session, and that can cause a little bit of leaking. Also, don't forget to empty it when you are done. And if you're only engaging in oral sex, it's perfectly fine to leave a tampon or menstrual cup in. Tip number 3, use protection. Even though it is slightly less likely that you can become pregnant during your period, it is not impossible. So make sure that you are using contraception if you're having sex that can get you pregnant and you don't want to be pregnant. Also, you should always use STI protection. There is a myth that you are more susceptible to STIs during your period. This isn't true, but you still need to use protection during period sex. And our last period sex tip is to talk about it. If you're feeling insecure about period sex, talk to your partner about it. There is so much shame and secrecy around menstruation that it can hold people back from fully embracing their sexual selves during their period. But your cycle is natural, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with desiring and enjoying sex during your period. If you're nervous, chat with your partner and let them know how they can help you feel more secure and empowered. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video empowered you to explore period sex if that's something you're interested in trying. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and you can also follow us on Instagram for more sex and pleasure related content. The link is in the description, and I will see you next time. Bye friends.